Good day, sir. I am Police Senior Master Sergeant Edwin Singh, and I am going to present my comparison chart for fingerprint examination. Republic of the Philippines Regional Trial Court, Branch 22, Pagadian City, Zamboanga del Sur. People of the Philippines versus Crystal Shane S. De La Torre, criminal case number 2026-1023 for Article 249, homicide. This judicial affidavit of Fred Penrosing is executed to serve as his direct testimony in the above entitled case. This testimony is being offered to prove the identity of the fingerprints labeled as specimen A and specimen B through scientific forensic analysis. The examination was conducted at Pagadian City, Zamboanga del Sur.
Please state your name and personal circumstances for the record.
I am Police Senior Master Sergeant Fred Penrosing of legal age, Filipino. I'm currently serving as a forensic fingerprint examiner.
What is the primary objective of your testimony today?
I am here to present my findings regarding the comparative analysis of two fingerprint impressions submitted for examination to determine if they share a common source.
What scientific method did you apply in your examination?
I applied the ASV methodology, in which the globally accepted standards for friction read skin identification. It stands for analysis, comparison, evaluation, and verification.
Were you requested to examine, certain, and compare fingerprint specimens in relation to this case?
Yes, I was requested to examine and compare a latent fingerprint, both identified as originating from the right thumb.
I am showing to you a document marked as Exhibit A, and what is this document?
Exhibit A is the latent print developed through fingerprint powder from the right thumb.
I am also showing to you a document marked Exhibit B. What is this document?
Exhibit B is the standard print or ruled fingerprint impression of the right thumb.
What fingerprint pattern did you observe from the submitted prints?
The fingerprint pattern observed in both ruled standard print and the latent print is a world pattern.
In the evaluation stage, what was your determination?
I determined that there is a centralized agreement of unique features between the two prints. There are fundamental differences of discrepancies that would suggest the prints came from the two different fingers.
What did your comparison reveal?
My examination revealed that the latent print and the ruled standard fingerprint possess sufficient identical ridge characteristic and a pattern formation, indicating that they originated from one and the same source.
Is this finding final?
The finding is final as far my evaluation is concerned, pending the verification stage where the result documented for peer review by another forensic specialist to ensure the total accuracy. In witness whereof, I have hereinto set my hand this 15th day of May 2026 at Pagadian City, Zamboanga del Sur, Philippines. Subscribe and sworn to before me this 15th day of May 2026 at Pagadian City, Zamboanga del Sur. I hereby certify that I have personally examined the affiant and that I am satisfied that she voluntarily executed and understood her judicial affidavit.